have that set up and reinforced because we have some very strong winds heading our way for Wednesday. Right now, you wouldn't be able to tell whatsoever what's heading our way. Flag is barely blowing whatsoever. This is a live view GVSU campus. Even a little bit of filtered sunshine out there. It's turning out to be a nice November day. Grand Haven, we'll head out to the lake shore, and this is going to be a dramatically different scene tomorrow. Hardly a ripple on Lake Michigan. Kind of unusual for this time of year, but it's going to be ripping and roaring tomorrow. Temperature-wise, right now, we're at 45 degrees in Grand Rapids, basically in the 40s throughout lower Michigan. There's a few 50s showing up out there, such as Detroit, the Sturgis, and the Coldwater area as well. Wind exceptionally light. It's just going to be remarkable, the turnaround that we'll see tomorrow at this time. We could have some wind gusts by tomorrow at this time, probably around 50 miles an hour, if not even higher along the lakeshore. Latest on the visible satellite, Luke, there's some of those high-level clouds out there. They thin out a little bit over southern Lake Michigan, and then once you get beyond Chicago, they start to thicken up a little bit. You can see why. There's a developing storm system in the Central Plains, already snow breaking out from Denver right through Nebraska, about as far northeast as the southwestern parts of the Minnesota area. This will continue to expand. Notice the rain forming. That's going to continue heading north. So everything's going to kind of congeal around this developing area of low pressure, and guess where it's going? Right here in lower Michigan. So here's the latest on, well, blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings, winter storm watch. We have high wind warnings out there. And this tells you there's a pretty good storm heading our way. Here's a breakdown of the here's a breakdown of this area of low pressure. Central Plains that's going to develop right around the Kansas City area. It's going to end up right around the Milwaukee area sometime right around early tomorrow morning at, say, 7 o'clock time frame. At that point, warm front and cold front should be moving through. That's where we could see some thunder showers with it. Mostly just rain showers, strong winds. Once that cold front moves through, area of low pressure moves across northern lower Michigan. That's when the wind is really going to pick up during the afternoon, and cold enough temperatures, I would think by late afternoon, evening hours, could mix in a little bit of snow. A couple slippery spots here and there, but I don't think it's going to be a major problem unless you're traveling across UP. That's where the travel difficulties will be. Traveling on Thanksgiving Day itself, high pressure moves in, and it looks like overall a good day for traveling Thanksgiving. It's tomorrow. It's going to be an issue. Okay, we have the latest on, this is a high wind watch. This is all going to be changed later on today from the National Weather Service. So likely what will happen is a high wind warning will be issued along Lakeshore and advisories inland. But just to make sure, join Ellen and Bill on that to see if that's what the National Weather Service does. Look at some of these wind gusts out there. 62 at 1 o'clock in the afternoon at Benton Harbor. Again, that's a forecast, 55 Highland. And we'll see, again, some approaching 50 in the inland areas. 8-day forecast featuring kind of a tranquil pattern in the Thursday and Friday. It doesn't last long. Another storm system. This one won't be as windy, but it could be colder, therefore a better chance of a rain-snow mix on Saturday, probably ending as rain, and reverse it on Sunday. Looks like a mix to snow possibly into that time frame, and just a few flurries on Monday morning. So, yeah, active pattern. And, tomorrow's going to be a windy one.
Wow. Yeah, it'll be interesting to watch. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you, Matt. Rosa Parks.